This is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the notifications on your Motorola phone. So if you keep seeing these pop-up notifications under here, just swipe on down from the top and we can disable them. So I got YouTube on here, which is provide me a bunch of different pop-ups. Now we could just press this down arrow and we might be able to see an option to turn it off right here. Otherwise we try holding down on it specifically. We can silent it, turn it off, or go to done. Now on the newest version of Android, you might not have that option, so you might want to swipe on down from the top right. Go to settings right here. And then we are looking for notifications. And then we want to go to app notifications. And just go to the application and just uncheck mark it. So for YouTube, for example, we can just turn off the notification right here and we won't see that pop up under my notification tab anymore. So just go through your list, and if you see something that's annoying you, just disable it. And then it won't pop up on your screen anymore. But you'll probably want to leave like messages, Facebook Messenger, and then maybe some other message app that you use. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.